What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple but filling breakfast. It's so colorful and full of nutrients, and it tastes bomb. We're starting off by spraying our pan, but if you're oil-free, you can totally skip this step. Next, I'm adding in all kinds of bell peppers, red, orange, green, you name it. I am adding in a lot of sliced mushrooms. Then I'm letting the veggies cook for a bit while I add some salt and pepper. Once your veggies have started to soften, add in some hash browns. Today I am using frozen ones, but you can use freshly made hash browns too. Continue to stir around all of your ingredients so they cook evenly. As your veggies cook, add in some spinach and mix that in as well. I top this off with some more salt and pepper. Sometimes I add fresh garlic, avocado, jalapenos, whatever. That's the beauty of this dish. You can kind of make it however you like. This is so tasty and filling and easy to make, and I just love how pretty it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for new delicious recipes every week.